Hi guys, welcome again to the Virtual Assistant Starter Series. If you haven't watched the first video yet, go check it out. It's in my description box. It explains what the Virtual Assistant really is. Today I want to blow your mind a little because you already have skills that can make you money as a VA, even if you didn't go to university. You're already skilled. Yes, you heard that right. If you've ever sent a WhatsApp message, helped someone type a letter, posted on Facebook or Instagram, created a simple flyer with Canva, scheduled an appointment, then guess what? You already have the foundation skills to start offering virtual assistant services. Common VA tasks you can already do but you don't know. Let me give you some real examples of beginner VA tasks. Replying to messages on Instagram or Facebook, sending follow-up emails, booking appointments on Google Calendar, designing social media posts on Canva, copying and pasting data into a spreadsheet. These aren't difficult skills. You just need to organize them and present them professionally. Transferable skills from life you can use on your journey as a virtual assistant. Have you ever helped a friend type a CV? Boom, you've done admin. You post Bible quotes with hashtags. Boom, social media management. You help your church or business group stay organized. You've done project management. Being a VA is not about being perfect. It's about being dependable, teachable, and committed. You can learn the rest. I will teach you how to use the right tools, communicate with clients, price your services, build confidence without needing a degree. So stay with me, subscribe, comment I'm ready, and download the free VA Starter Toolkit in the description to take action today. What's in my VA Starter Toolkit? In my VA Starter Toolkit, you'll see tools that you must use, beginner portfolio templates, introduction, services you offer, tools you use, sample work descriptions. You see cold DMs, email templates, that messages that you can use to communicate with clients, to start communicating with employers and talking to them. You see tools, services that you can start using, services that you can start working on in as little as a week or two. You see a pricing guide. So there's so much in there and I can't wait to talk to you. Download the VA Toolkit today and look out for the next video.